I am Joshua INBAN, Medical Physics undergraduate from School of Physics, University Science Malaysia. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss about the most unusual radioactive incident in modern history, the poisoning of Alexander Litvinenko in London 2006, using a rare radioactive isotope called Polonium-210. Alexander was a former Russian intelligence officer. On November 2006, he met two other Russian intelligence officers in a London hotel bar. Days later, he felt seriously ill, causing unusual symptoms such as nausea, hair loss, and organ failure. Doctors soon discovered that he has been suffering from severe internal radiation poisoning, and the source turned out to be polonium-210, a highly radioactive alpha emitter. This rare isotope is actually very fatal. Even a few micrograms can be dangerous to you if it's ingested directly. And this shocked the world because a radioactive material was used as a weapon in a modern city center. Polonium-210 is an alpha-emitting isotope. Alpha particles are heavy and it even cannot penetrate through skin. Hence, people generally classify it as non-dangerous. But when it's inhaled or ingested, it releases high intense energy directly into the body due to its high ionization density. And this causing severe damages for cellular and DNA levels inside the bodies. Polonium-210 is produced in nuclear reactor by bombarding bismuth with neutrons. In Alexander's case, the polonium-210 was found in his teacup, hotel room, and even in the aeroplane surfaces. This highlights how the radioactive contamination can spread in unexpected and unusual ways. Detecting polonium was challenging because alpha particles are invisible and cannot travel far in the air. In this case, scientists used alpha spectroscopy to identify the isotopes in urine samples and environmental samples. The radiation traces across the London allowed the authorities to trace the contamination path. This shows how the nuclear forensics helps to solve even crime cases. Interestingly, polonium-210 emits a slight faint amount of Cherenkov radiation in liquids, which aided the detection. A fun fact about this case, Alexander Litvinenko doesn't drink alcohol or consumes alcohol. Hence, the murderers were actually added the polonium to his teacup when he met them in the hotel bar. This case has sent a powerful warning to the world. Radioactive materials, even a tiny amount, can be extremely dangerous if it's misused. In this case, the poison was added to the teacup was not even on this bottle level, but smaller than this level. This incident directly influenced the global radiation safety practices in several ways. In short, this case not just exposed the vulnerability, but also strengthened the culture of radiation safety worldwide.